Welcome back. The Anand Samajik Suraksha beneficiaries will have to submit life certificate annually. The government has initiated steps to prevent misuse of the popular scheme. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar made it clear that it would be improper to blame the MLAs for the false affidavits by the beneficiaries. Social Welfare Minister Mahadev Naik informed that the survey is on to find out the bogus beneficiaries. The question was raised by the Madgaon MLA Digambar Kamath about the number of beneficiaries touching 1,18,000.
तुम्ही तर दोन कॅटेगरी असा पळय बोगस हा तुम्ही तर एक 341 बोगस म्हणून सांगला तर म्हाका आनी 5678 डाउटफुल म्हणजे कितें कितें अशें कशे कसले केसीस डाउटफुल म्हणजे बाकीचे गव्हर्नमेंट सर्वंट बरे आसा डबल पेन्शन घेते दोज आर क्लियर केसीस म्हणजे सारके दे कॅनॉट ड्रॉ पेन्शन डाउटफुल म्हणजे कितें यू आर स्टील असेसिंग दॅम ऑर वॉट इज द एक्चुअल
नाही डाउटफुल जे केसी आसात पळय न्ही काही वेळार आमचे एमएलए जे आसात ते बेश्टेच सायन मारून दितात फॉर्म म्हाका एक सभागृहा विनंती आसा की फॉर्म बेश्टेच सायन मारून दिनाकात तो खरो 15 वर्सां ह्या गोंयांत रावत जाल्यार चेक करात म्हजे कडेन काही आदले मंत्र्यांची फॉर्म आसात ताणें बेश्टेच सायन मारले तितून तुमचेंय नांव आसा बेश्टेच सायन मारून दिला म्हजे कडेन ते हें आसा आमचे कडेन काही अशी केसी आसात जेणे एजीच कंप्लीट जावना 60 जावना 50 वर्सांच्या लोकांक सुद्दां ते 60 वर्सां म्हणून दिल्ले आसात.
Even after MLA signs, certain aspect parameters will be thoroughly checked so that you cannot point finger at the MLA. MLAs cannot be blamed because 1,38,000 forms have been signed by MLAs. Tuklender. एका हाणें 3-3, 4-4, 5-5 फॉर्म साइन केला. He cannot go on then.
नाही म्हणजे
मारूंक जायना. They have appointed one agency which has done exercise for पेडणे तालुका. आणि तातून भितर आमकां डेड खूब मेळ्ळे. म्हणजे more than bogus number of people who have died but not recorded as dead. Money is going into the account. So what we are doing, thinking of, we are conducting an extensive review of checks and balances. And one of the check can be like pensioner, every year life certificate has to be given to the bank. I don't know whether they have that system now, but I don't think it is existing in social welfare. We will conduct that.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
A sigh of relief for the Panch Members and Sarpanch. CM Manohar Parrikar has assured that the Panchayat members will get enhanced honorarium before served with areas. The notification to this effect has already been issued. The issue was raised by the Kutturi MLA Alex Regina Lawrence during 0 hour.
And one of the issue is their salaries. They were supposed to get an increase, which our previous government has promised them. And the file is pending almost.
Who had promised?
The previous government. So it's not a big thing that previous government and this government. Government is a continuous process. In fact, the file is pending in the finance department. It was cleared. I'm just bringing to the knowledge of the House that it was already cleared and it was pending financial sanction. Therefore, I'm just requesting the Chief Minister that see that the file.
Speaker sir, मेजावेले केळं म्हणून एक आमी कोंकणीन शब्द वापरता. फाटल्या सरकारान अशी मेजावेली केळी खूब दिल्या. केळी रावची पडटा, घड येवचो पडटा. घड येतकच तो पिकोवचो पडटा. मागीर जी केळी येता पळय ताका गोडसाण आसता. हे केळें मेजावेले दिता म्हूण सांगप सोंपें. दिवप प्रत्यक्ष पयशे दिवचे पडटा. तुज्या म्हायती खातीर सांगता 16 जुलैक म्युनिसिपालिटीची ऑलरेडी नोटिफिकेशन हे पब्लीश जालें 16 जुलै. त्यामुळे तुझ्या हातून तुवें म्युनिसिपालिटी म्हणल्या पळय तो विशय पयलीं जालो.
पंचायत सरपंच म्हणून
एज फार एज पंच ना ताणें दोनूय म्हणलो. कावन्सिलरूय म्हणलो. कावन्सिल म्हणजे रिटर्न नोटिसान कावन्सिलरूय शब्द वॉट एव्हर इट इज.
They are not received.
नो कावन्सिलर पयशे प्रत्यक्ष मेळप नोटिफिकेशन येवप हाच्या मदीं थोडोसो अंतर आसता. एकदां नोटिफिकेशन आयलें की तांकां लागू जालें. पंचायत आनी सरपंचाच्या संदर्भांत ऑलरेडी फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंटान एप्रूव केल्लें. पण लॉ डिपार्टमेंटाक जेन्ना वेट करपाक गेले तातूंत भितर तांच्यांनी जिल्हा परिशदूय एड केले. सो लॉ डिपार्टमेंट हॅज वेटेड इट, सेंड इट टू फायनान्स बिकॉज द फायनान्शियल अप्रुवल वॉज फॉर पंचायत आनी सरपंच आनी पंच, not for Jilla Parishad. So they have routed it back to the finance department. I'll see that within 6-7 days or 10 days at the most. Maka say if I'm not mistaken, it is from 1st of April. Yes, so they will get arrears. आणि मेळटले आनी एकदम बरे घसघशीत मेळटले आतां. चवथी पयलीं मेळटले गॅरंटी.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Congress party has severely criticized CM Parrikar for his statements. South Goa MP Francisco Sardinia alleged that Parrikar has taken guns on a ride on illegal mining issue. He also demanded that Ladli Lakshmi scheme forms should be made available through a particular agency and not with the MLAs.
He took them for a ride and sogle urun kidak soglyak auzano loka bidor ek soglo misunderstanding अशें जाल्लें इतले मायनिंगाचेर पयशे आयल्ले आसा तितले केल्ले आसा आनी आयज म्हणटात नो इलिगल मायनिंग नो MLAs आर इन्वॉल्वड इन इलिगल मायनिंग सो देखून हांव म्हणटा असलें हें बंद जावचें.
Congress has demanded that Ladli Lakshmi scheme forms should be available with particular agency and not any MLA.
आयज आमच्या गोंयांत मनीस आसात ते आपणाच्यान वचून ते फॉर्म घेवन भरून दिवपाचे. सो ही फॉर्मां न्हय फकत आमदाराक न्हय फकत कास्तारांक ही हुंयचे जाल्यार एजन्सी कडेन हुंय जाल्यार ही मेळपाक जाय लोकांक जाय थिंगा वचून ते फॉर्म भरून जो लोकांचो हक जो आसा सरकार जी स्कीम करता ती लोकां खातीर हे पयशे लोकांचे पयशे टॅक्साचे पयशे कोणाचे बापायले पयशे न्ही ते म्हज्या हाल्या हांव एक स्कीम सांगता म्हणून म्हजे पयशे न्ही हांव आतां कास्तार आहा म्हणून म्हजे पयशे म्हणून आमकां जे MP लॅड स्कीम मेळटात ते सरकाराचे पयशे ते भशेन ही स्कीम जी आसा ही फॉर्मां तोबाडतोब हुंय जाल्यार मेळपाक जाय एवेलेबल आसपाक जाय.
The efforts have begun to revive the party at grassroots level. State leaders would soon hold meetings at constituency and booth level.
Take various schemes which were earlier launched by Congress party along with the newly launched schemes by the present government. So this program will go on for the next 2 months uninterrupted and I would say in a very enthusiastic way.
Video journalist Sushant Paul for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.